Welcome to Unreal Starter Kit. Today we will be making a start menu. It will be a very basic start menu and it will be easy to follow. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm going to go to my content browser, my blueprints file. I'm going to right click, user interface. I'm going to create a widget blueprint. User widget. I will name this WB underscore main menu. Okay, I'm going to go into it quickly. Alright, the first thing we're going to add is a canvas panel. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to add an image. I'm going to go to the right hand side by anchors. I'm going to make it a full screen. I'm going to tick these little arrows to put it on 0. Let's add 0 here and 0 here. Now by the image, by the brush, by the image, I'm going to select the image. I'm going to use this one of mine. Okay, the next thing I'm going to add will be a horizontal box. I like to keep things easy and in line without battling, so I'm going to use a horizontal box. I'll anchor it as well to the full screen and make everything here, all these numbers 0. Okay, the next thing I'm going to add in is vertical box. I'm just going to add 3 of them in. Now on the left hand side, I'm going to select all 3 and I'm going to say fill. Now in the first box, I'm going to add 3 more vertical boxes. I'm going to select all 3 again and I'm going to say fill. Now in the middle box, we want to add in some buttons. I'm only going to add 2 buttons, one for start and one for quit. Okay, I'm going to select both. I'm going to click on fill and then I'm going to do padding. The left, I'm going to say 200, top 50, right 200, bottom 50. Let's see if we do 100, 75. Top 75, leave it at 50 and 50. Okay, now we want to go to the background color. We're going to click on the white part and we just want to choose a color that we want to make it. I'll choose that color. Okay, now by style, normal. We can always change the color here if you want to. Just select this, make it that color. Then by hovered, we want to select the same color and just make it a little darker. And by pressed, a tint, select this color and make it even darker. Okay, so let's get some sounds. So under style, we want to go to pressed sound and we want to choose the sound. I'll just choose this one. Under clicked. And then hovered sound. Pressed, clicked, hovered, depending on if you're going to be pressing or clicking. Alright. We can do the same sounds. Actually, we can just click on this appliance one. Okay, once we have the sound set, we can add some text. and we want to put it on the block. So this text will say start. Okay, so we can change the appearance, the color, make this blue color, and the font. I'll put it to 40. Okay, let's add the next text in. 40. And this color, just choose the picker. And the text, this one will be quit. Okay, let's compile this and save it quickly. Now by our content browser, we want to add in, okay, file, let's go file, new level. I'll select basic. File, save, current level, and I'm going to save it as map 1. And then I need to make a new one, file, new level. I'm going to choose the empty level, create. I'm going to file, save current level as main menu. Okay, now we're going to go to the level blueprint, open level blueprint, event begin play. We're going to create widget, create widget, yes. Create widget. The widget we're going to be creating will be the main menu. We're going to add to viewport. Add to viewport. As well, if we're in a start menu, we can play 2D sound. So this 2D sound, we can choose a sound that we want. Okay, let's select the sound. Okay, next, let's compile and save. And let's go back to the menu. Okay, now on start, we scroll down and on clicked. Now we need to change the name. I see it didn't change the name yet. Let's go back to the designer. On the button, we want to change the name on top to start. Next one to quit. So quit button. Scroll down, on clicked. Okay. Now out of on clicked for the start, we want to open level. And then we need to select the name, or we have to type the exact name in. So ours was map 1. So this will load the exact map with that exact name. The next one, on click to quit, we just want to say quit. See, we have quit game and quit match, but to quit the game, we're just going to say quit game. Okay, let's compile and save. Okay, let's minimize this and then play. Okay, so now we can hover the start button, we can hear the sound. Go over the start button. Okay. We will load into our level that we just created. Okay, let's stop. Exit brings us back into here. If we press play again, and we go down to the quit, it will quit out. Okay, play, start, quit, stop. Okay, that's a fast and easy start menu. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I hope this helps you. Please leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.